Welcome to Cornerstone Solutions. I am Senior Developer Jason Grogan, and today we're going to take a look at Zoho Projects. Zoho Projects is a project management tool that allows you to build in and be able to keep track of your project and all the various milestones, the times needing logged to it, the different tasks. And so let's take a look. And if we come in here to the home page, you can kind of see a nice little dashboard showing you some of the things that are going on. And like I said here, you can set up tasks, you can manage bugs, you can set milestones, you can enter in timesheets. You can also hook this up with your banking information to be able to help manage that. Or you can see our Zoho books. That is a great tool for billing and invoicing and things like that. But today we're looking at projects. And so you can look at to see what all projects are out there. You can start a new project. Some of the things you can do, of course, is going in on your settings. You can set up your personal, how you want things to look for your stuff. But you can also then go in and set up how the projects look, the customization, of course, your layouts, what you want everything to look at and to be able to see, standard layout is built in. You can add or remove fields that you don't think you need, but it's simple, easy drag and drop to be able to set things up for your projects, for your tasks. Same thing for timesheet, how they can look. And basically what that does is it allows whoever you assign it to be able to go in and log their time to that particular project. And so it's a really great tool. There's all kinds of automations that you can set up, anything from reminders to due dates, to be able to do different actions. But it's just a great tool to be able to track your day-to-day, track your progress in any project, and it's even customizable. This is an area that I work in a lot, is building custom functions to help better the product for you and to customize it for our customers. They want it to look a certain way or act a certain way or do specific things that it doesn't come out of the box with. So this is where I end up playing most of my time, but check it out sometime. Projects is a great tool, great way to keep track of everything that's going on. And it keeps you from having to constantly remind people to do things. It frees that up with all the automations. You can go look at the various reports, all kinds of different things. It's pretty neat tool. So go check it out. And if you have any questions with setup or questions on how to customize it, get a hold of us at our website for a free consultation, and we'd love to help you get this set up. Thank you and have a great day.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.